How much we have done with that? Quite a bit. Well, we worked that one now. You guys didn't have no problem with that. We worked on that for the TV.
Still a nice day outside.
Yeah, we touched it.
Still a nice day. Let's get out here and see what weather's like. Oh, it's gorgeous. The sun's getting ready to set right over there. Let's go around back here and see what the back looks like. Well, that's desert. Let's go take a look at the backyard. See what we got back here. Open the gate. Oh, boy, my arm. Now he's got that fixed up nice. Yeah. Oh, we have a swimming pool. Yeah, a big pool. That's a big pool. It's high above the ground, but it's big. Got a big patio deck at the other end. Oh yeah. Got a good sized backyard. Got it all tiered and tapered. Back out to the front now. Got across the field there. That's some view. That is some view. Some nice looking mountains over there. Yeah, it is. Bring them up close. There's the ones right out in front of the house. The big town of 29 Palms.
Cover me up. Hi, Mandy. Hi, Josh. He's my beauty and the beast. I'll get you through the mirror. I'll get you through the mirror, Joe. Hello, everybody. Hi, Cecil. I thought I'd get you on here since you didn't get on.
Now you're going to get me on there.
Well, since you didn't get in.
I got myself on there a while ago.
What you guys doing?
They're talking about girls.
Oh. Talking about the Radio Shack?
What time you like to be down there?
Stuff to keep you sober too.
Talking about the shack.
Yeah, it'll sober you up real fast if you get a hang of it.
I see George. Close up.
George, close up.
A close
I
up
bet
of
he broke the
George.
camera, didn't he?
And a close up of Cecil. And a close up of, oh my goodness, it's Mike.
Whole crew had disappeared first hour.
And a close up of Sharon.
And they'll be setting up the live broadcast in the morning.
Mike, will you be down there around 7?
Yeah, a big radio station around here.
I got a close up of you, Joe. It's real close. It's real close.
They'll see my fat belly.
I see it's real close. And I see you. Where'd the other little pimple head go?
I don't know. Is he in the garage? George is probably having a...
George is over here.
It's all my fault, okay? If I'd have not made some of the dumb mistakes I made, hey, I'm bullheaded. I know how to build.
Who are you talking to?
Darn sure I'll be able to operate.
My roommate.
You're what?
My roommate.
So?
Anyway,
Get that stupid camera off.
I got a close up.
better not some.
Play it. Play it, do it.
I have to get a picture of his piano.
Find it out. I can show
Nothing's on look back here. I promise you, it wasn't even in the book.
Huh? You're what?
Riding a wheelie.
Sure you are. Are you down by the levee?
Huh?
No, you down by the levee?
No. I want to borrow someone's camera to take some pictures of me while I'm at the levee. I stopped by to pick Mandy up, or wanted to stop by and see if she could go down to the levee. But you guys had already left. You guys must have just left. I stopped by about 12:20.
We did. We left about 12:15. What are you doing off work that time?
I got off work 10 o'clock yesterday.
How come so early?
Just did.
I can play it if you sing it slow.
Okay, come on, sing my treasure.
Better sing it, we can hear it.
I'm on
Is
the
that
wrong
the
way.
right chord? Sing it so loud so we can hear it. That's what he did.
Start it out and I'll play it.
I'm not gonna start.
Started.
Looking at my treasures in that home above, trusting fully, trusting doing what I can for heaven's only. Mandy, I can't sing my part, your part.
No, sing low. Go low.
Getting ready to leave this I'm getting ready to leave this world. You gotta sing it before I play it.
I can't. No,
Sing it.
Sing it.
they sing pretty good. You
Come on.
gotta pick
I
out.
wouldn't know because you can't hear this pond over here.
Once was lost in sin, but Jesus took me in. I really love him, I feel my soul.
Everyone else sitting in here just to listening.
Take my heart and love and broke my name and push. I just feel talk with Jesus, my cross. Now let us have a little talk with Jesus and love and roses. Hear our face smile and try and flowers you bring from turning. Lonely flowers blooming. My little talk with Jesus makes it I just have to hear somebody sing before I can play it.
You gotta
All
pick the right
forward,
thing.
almost continuously for 2 years. 1 hour after construction. All the construction yard.
Did I see Mike turn around and smile?
Right chord.
Mandy, you got me messed up.
Think of that man thing.
Didn't say anything.
Huh? What's that?
It's on my note.
That's the end of that.
I gotta clean the windows yet.
I'll blow it.
We don't wanna work too late tonight. No matter midnight. Everybody's pretty tired, I think. You think? Joe's not. Well, she's not.
It's only because she hasn't done anything all day, Jay.
Joe's been wore out all week. I didn't give nobody no break.
I took a break. break yesterday. What was it, Mike? Yesterday I took a break the other night. I ate a piece of chicken. He said, "You've been breaking." I said, "Yep, not as much as George does."
You don't have a smoke break anyway, huh?
No, I had a chicken break. No, I just sat down in the chair and I was exhausted. And I ate a piece of Joe's chicken.
No, I started playing the piano at home. They closed doors on me.
B, you did good.
Shut you right out of it.
I have my piano back in my laundry room. No, so I have doors that closes. So they closed doors on me.
She does that herself. Don't let her kid you.
No, I don't want to interrupt Cecil with this TV. I just go back there sometimes when I'm feeling really down. I go back there and just play.
Did you used to play years ago?
You know?
What I'm saying was, was you the piano player at the
No.
church?
I just sort of picked up a little. Just picked up a little.
She does good. One time Daddy told me if I learned to play the banjo, he'd buy me a guitar, and I banged that thing to death for years, and I never did learn to play that.
I can play a little bit of little guitar, but not enough to really play song. I can play. I can get at it. Mandy plays clarinet real good. She should play in church sometime. She really does a good job. She can make that thing
Well,
talk.
they don't have no horns in church.
Oh, this is a clarinet.
Yeah.
She can really play it. She can make it talk. She can play anything. She can play
Back home, we used to have a lot of horns, didn't we? Clarinets and saxophone, trumpet. Honey, I wish you hadn't forgot my medicine. It goes that far, doesn't it? It goes that far. When I had chemo, I got the bad it just kept me worse. And then it never healed. The others all
Why don't you take your teeth out, leave it out?
I got it out.
Oh, leave it out.
Okay, this is looks like our new Radio Shack, or George's new Radio Shack. And there's George. This is Friday morning, the 27th of November. There's Colin's computer shop there. That's Mike's computer shop. And then the Radio Shack is right over here that they're opening up today. Today's the grand opening in about another half hour. Got it all set up and ready to go. Pretty window right there. Got the Christmas tree already set up. Boy, I tell you, look at the lights blinking there. Well, let's take a walk inside and see what we've got. Now we're going to go inside here. Got the door lady right here, opening the door. Thank you, my dear. And here we are. Well, the inside looks great. Got it looking good. We'll be loaded with customers in about 20 minutes, huh?
Sharon, you didn't want that one open.
They hope.
Keith, one of these.
I didn't, but she did. Oh, that makes
Got all of this in front. Got some goodies there. Here's our tree.
You're the boss.
Oh, inside.
We're still working to try to get everything ready.
Oh, you're gonna pay right now.
It's good. We'll see what it looks like in a few minutes after we get everybody else here.
Welcome to your all-new Radio Shack authorized sale. Our goal is to please you. If you have any suggestions for improvement, please let us know. Thank you for shopping at your new Radio Shack.
At your new Radio Shack. I like that. Okay, we have our ribbon cutting and our ceremony, and it looks like they're live on the radio station.
The brand new Collins Radio Shack in Twentynine Palms, located right across the street from Bank of America on Adobe Road. Right now, even as we speak, we're standing out on the sidewalk here, and Mike's got his family and friends around. We're about to cut the ribbon, and are you guys ready to cheer?
Yeah, cheer it on.
Here we go. All right, Mike and his brother-in-law have now, here they go. They got their, here.
Cut the ribbon.
Ladies and gentlemen, you heard it live here on the radio. The Collins Radio Shack is now open in Twentynine Palms. Come on in.
Come on in. Live radio station here. Step on the road here. Now they're all going in.
Door open, so turn around the other way. Yeah.
Go in and go for it.
Today is the biggest shopping day of the year. Time to get that holiday shopping off and rolling. What better way to do it than to come down to a brand new Radio Shack store and pick up the electronic gifts for the folks on your Christmas shopping list.
Well, you know, Les, I've always loved electronic gadgets, and I'm looking around the store, and I can feel power shopping in my near future right here at the new Collins Radio Shack. Here comes the very first customer right here. Let's get him over here. Come on over here. Hi, what's your name? And what's your last name? Okay, and where are you from, buddy? You came all the way from Texas for the grand opening of Collins Radio Shack. Did you know you're the very first customer at this store that just opened?
Yes.
Well, congratulations. Now, you got your mind on something special today, or you're just going to look around? Okay. You want to say hi to your unit or anything like that?
Yeah, 37com.
All right, 37com. All right. Moving back with more live broadcasts from Collins Radio Shack, downtown Twentynine Palms. Right now, let's get back to more of Michelle Michaels on Z1077.
Thank you, Gary.
That was fun. Yeah. Congratulations.
Way to go.
Yes. That's it. Did you start?
You're already late. So why were you late?
Ooh, look at this store. Ooh, I like these things.
So it's not on the radio. These guys are really.
800 meg.
Too bad this doesn't have no celery. Get your head on the. That's a good dog. A poodle.
All new Radio Shack.
Can I get a
Okay, we have our first sale. First sale. You're the first sale person. It'll work. First sale of the day. First sale of the store opening.
Get it working, Mike?
Yeah, boy. Sure, right, yeah.
Okay. As long as it takes money.
As long as it takes money, yeah, that's right.
There's sort of a bottom line here, you know?
Bottom line.
Look, it's printing out the first bill.
There it is.
Put that on tape.
First bill right there.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
But I ain't even got them lined up.
Close. Let's bring it down.
Close enough. They can read it anyway.
I'll let you adjust it. I was going to bring it down a few steps.
Smile, Mike. That's your first sale. Congratulations, it's all uphill from here.
Is that what it is? I believe it.
Got another one waiting in line.
Look at that, they're standing in line.
Standing in line already. Bye,
Standing
golly.
in line.
Got two of them standing in line.
Actually, they don't want to buy anything. We might just want to look at Sharon.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Way to go. Oh, I'm sorry. Walked right in front of the other one. Got people still looking all over here.
New era. I didn't see this last night when I was playing.
Biggie J.
You notice these are Radio Shack headphones, Radio
Yeah.
Shack mic.
There you go.
Okay. Radio Shack mic cover.
Yeah. You'd think this was a Radio Shack you were operating in.
Actually, I've been using these for years on the air.
Is that right?
I have to wear headphones 5 hours a day.
What are they better than most other type? Really? Great.
Comfortable, sound quality.
Yeah.
You wear those big ones after 5 years.
Oh, I bet,
5
yeah.
hours and just sweaty.
Yeah.
And coming up in the next 5 minutes, a lucky at-work network listener is doing lunch at Tom's Place.
Thank you. Thank you. Here's your receipt.
How you doing?
Got a customer who wants to get in here. Come right on in.
Hi, San Juan.
How are you?
Fine. Nurse moved for you this morning?
Oh, yes, it did. Yes.
Les and I were on the air live.
Oh, I know.
When it hit, and we both looked at each other and knew immediately what it was.
That's funny because we're about a half a second behind it.
You heard us say, oh,
yeah.
we're having an after show? Yeah.
Yes. And tried to just really wake you up, and I heard you, and I went, okay. Yeah, and it is moving. It didn't make her rush.
Okay, we'll take it out of there. Gary and
Now there's Sharon's first sale.
Okay, thanks.
He's gonna read
Well, he's been out there for quite some time. Okay. Oh, he's up now. We were right. Telephone? Talk about
I'm lined up down there. Looks good. Looks great. Some more people coming in.
You got that.
But for you today, 1936.
Real hard to get this store open. It's a beautiful
Now we're on the air.
retail facility here in the basin that has all kinds of great stuff. No matter who you have on your Christmas list, you're going to find some kind of a neat Radio Shack electronic device that will suit them just to a T. They've got electronic games. Besides video games, they've got electronic chess games. They've got electronic, just all kinds of different things.
All the way on up. There's lots of things special. It has $17.95 for one-piece mini phone. Let me tell you, and stocking stuffers. Look up here. Look at the blocks and clock radios and scanners and headphones and microphones.
Now, with the seismic activity that we've been having as recently as this morning, it's a great idea if you don't have a good portable radio. Now's the time to get one and put in your earthquake kit, so that if there should be some kind of a problem or you just lose power for a little while, you've got a good radio that you can dial up to 0177 and get all the latest information.
I'm looking at a great realistic AM/FM pocket radio right there with an earphone for $14.95. That's a pretty inexpensive insurance, and you can find out what's going on. So the new Collins Radio Shack opened at 10 o'clock this morning. They've been open for 27 minutes right now. Already we got a store full of people. You really should come check it out. It's located right across the street from Bank of America. And let's make it worth their while. All you have to do is walk into the new Collins Radio Shack, and the next 5 people who walk in the front door say, I just heard your live broadcast on Z177. You give them a free one of those big Radio Shack flashlights.
All right,
And that's real handy to have in your emergency kit, too. Absolutely. The next 5 people who walk in to the new Collins Radio Shack say, I just heard your live broadcast on Z177. This is my Also, you'll get a free automatic
Today at Radio Shack here on Every Road.
Fine, lads. We'll be back with more live broadcasts from the newest business at 29 Palms, the brand new Collins Radio Shack. Right now, let's get back to more quality rock with Michelle Michaels on Z1077.
That sounded like a radio broadcast.
Hey, sounds like we've done this before.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Once or twice, anyway.
Yeah.
Not a real radio broadcast. It's a remarkable situation.
Yeah, that's great.
How you doing, son? Good. Answer the question quick. Hey, this is Andy.
Yeah.
You like them?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I thought it was fine 976 numbers. Never mind.
All right. We is opened. Let's back out the door here. Let's see what she looks like. It's a beautiful day for it too. Sun's are shining bright. I think what I want to do is go across the street and see what we look like from the other side. Now we're over here next to Bank of America. And there's the main drag of town. All the palm trees and the mountains behind. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And now we're coming right over here, and there's the Radio Shack. There goes a vehicle. Radio Shack with a radio station live inside. Another customer going through the door. There's one coming out. Now he's going back in. He forgot to pick up something else. Going to get rich today. Looks good. Big palm tree right in front there. Another palm tree on the other side of it. Surrounded by palm trees all the way down the line. And we can go up the other way and go up the other line. back up the road. Going out toward the base. The big Marine Corps base out there. Well, that's our Radio Shack.
Are you shopping for everybody's
Caribbean Queen, that's a gay guy from Jamaica.
Yeah, I guess so. Wait, say that again.
Oh, was I off?
Yes, you were.
Oh, good.
You've been off all your life.
Because you said Caribbean Queen, I thought that was like a gay guy from Jamaica. Right?
Good, evidently, yeah. Well, listen, we are broadcasting live from
We
the
are?
Yes.
This thing's on?
Yes, Collins Radio Shack store on the Dewey Road in 29 Palms. And we'll be back to tell you more about this new business in 29 Palms right
Right
after
after
this.
this.
You busted!
Wonderful card.
I don't have any relief.
You will send a gift for your hostess filled with gourmet coffee.
Radar detectors can't be here in 29 Palms. Matter of fact, I'm going to do a picture. I got an idea. Got the new Bagley brand radar detector.
Gifts, cards, and
Yeah. He's fine.
try the rest. You'll return to the best. On the highway near Tacoma.
Somebody will get it.
Yucca Valley Chrysler Center. Bobby, Prince and I had a lot of fun
Back
making
then, you
commercials
don't
over the years, and so
Surely I don't gotta have a sign iron in here too.
You don't, normally you don't do that.
I figure out right away she was gonna get it, so I used to drop.
Normally you don't do that.
low prices, big inventory, friendly
Thank you later, Mike.
Okay, thanks, Ray.
You may take too much. It's time you give us a chance.
Jenny, please put your toilet down and start.
Yeah, go find
Instructors highlighting the formula of the development of a young person's character, courage, honesty, and respect, and integrity. And kids have it. That's why they learn. Enroll your child today. 365 you need 68 for one child lesson. Value basic Taekwondo centers at available for kids and adults. Call 365-5868.
We are back, broadcasting live from Collins Radio Shack in 29 Palms. Brand new business, open at 10 o'clock this morning. Gary Danielle and yours truly, Les Taylor, are here broadcasting live till what, 1 o'clock this afternoon?
Yeah, till 1 o'clock this afternoon.
And we've got just a great, there's so much stuff in this store, Gary. I don't know where to start to tell people.
Well, Les, I was just down here looking at this great display of radar detectors right here, and I wanted to let Councilman Jim Bagley know that they have got radar detectors here at Collins Radio Shack, starting from $59.95 and going all the way up to the deluxe model for $159.95.
Fantastic.
I know that Councilman Bagley will want to have one of these radar detectors on his bronco.
Super handy and the thing that you need to detect radar.
That's right. Hey, Les, you know, if you're looking for a handy clock radio, they've got, look at all of the different brands of types they've got down here.
Well, they've got the talking ones too.
What?
Yeah, see?
Oh, they tell you,
Yeah.
the time is 11:30.
That's right, yeah. They also have, what else here? Well, they got world radios with world times and...
Look, they got regular AM, FM, digital clock radio starting from $15.95. Wow. So you'll never have an excuse for being late to work again.
That's great.
And you can wake up to the Danielle Taylor Morning Show.
That's right, and that's amazing. For $16, this one even comes with a battery backup system in case there is a momentary power glitch. You don't sit there and come back to flashing digital lights.
Oh, because every time we have a power glitch at my house, I have to get my 7-year-old to go around and reset everything.
Yeah, right.
Because everywhere I look, it's flashing 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 12
You don't need to worry about that
Yeah.
because it has the battery backup. For $16, that's a great deal. You can't beat it.
Anyway, they got some deluxe ones here, $39.95, $24.95, a complete display of those. So if you're looking for a nice portable radio or these AM, FM clock radios, they've got them right down here at Collins
The
Radio.
one we're using as a monitor has the dual alarm. So you and your spouse have to get up at 2 different times. You can set it for each time. And
Don't
it'll-
say that, Les.
What?
Because we do have a problem at my house.
Yeah.
And she'll want to come down and buy it.
Well,
So don't say that there's a dual alarm AM, FM clock radio down here at Collins Radio Shack, just over across from Bank of America in downtown 29 Palms. Don't say that.
Don't say that.
Okay, because Cindy will be down here, a checkbook in hand. Oh, yeah.
Hey, if you've got some other
She should be on her way.
suggestions, let me mention to you. They've got personal stereos on available here at Collins Radio Shack, including an AM/FM stereo receiver, pocket radios, personal cassette players. They have weather radios, portable weather radios. They have aircraft radios. You can listen to incoming and outgoing aircraft from the 29 Falls Airport.
Hey, Les.
Neat stuff like that.
Hey, Les, you know, for every morning on the Daniel Taylor Morning Show, we have these bookworm spelling bees.
Right.
Well, right down here, we've got Webster's Elementary Dictionary. It's an elementary spelling aid. It's a selection dictionary.
Is that right?
Yeah, you just put the name in there and up it comes.
Hey,
Yeah.
fantastic.
And they've got electronic labeling systems, executive planners, all kinds of
Have they got those electronic translate deals?
Yeah, they do have an electronic language master.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, there's one right here.
Those are amazing. You know, you enter the phrase in English and it prints it out.
Oh no! She heard about the dual alarm.
I was over at the bank and I heard it in the car and I drove home.
Making a withdrawal, no doubt.
I told you not to tell her about that. Oh no! What do you think of this new Collins Radio Shack?
Showed up.
Isn't it? It's really nice. Look at the tremendous selection of things they've got down here.
Radio controlled vehicles. They've got
I guess that's his wife.
television sets, beautiful Memorex television sets. They've got a Memorex 20-inch stereo monitor TV on sale at $3.99.
I told him not to mention it.
Your son brought all of his money in his wallet. He's been waiting all morning to come down to Radio Shack.
Really? Well, he's going to find lots of things. Matter of fact, right over there is a big selection of kids' toys, and they are very reasonable.
Yes, he told me he was seeing an ad on TV also that they have a lot of things under $10 at Radio Shack this year. So
They do.
when I told him that, I didn't know if he had enough money. He said, oh, I've got plenty of money. Radio Shack has lots of stuff under $10.
Okay, well, you're going to find lots of stuff under $10 and lots of stuff in general here at the brand new Collins Radio Shack, right across from Bank of America in 29.
And they're looking this stuff over already.
About this newest business in the city of 29 Collins Radio Shack on Oak Road, just up from Four Corners across from the Bank of America in 29 Falls. And when you're traveling around on your holiday weekend, make sure you keep your radio set right where you've got it. We're going back now to more quality rock with Michelle Michaels on Z1077.
That's all right. I told your wife heard it. Oh, that's great.
Brand new Collins Radio Shack in downtown 29 Ponds. I'm Gary Daniel, standing out in the middle of the showroom here at Radio Shack. And, well, so you're a typical customer. What is your name?
Cody Danielle.
Wait a minute. You're not a And wait, I noticed you're over there looking at the toys. Is there anything over here that's particular attractive to things?
Well, there's a game. It's a Sonic Sea Battle.
Yeah.
And it's got torpedoes and missiles in the game. It's
Yeah.
a little hand pocket shape.
Really? Do you think you're going to get one of those?
Maybe.
Okay, is there any other games you've been looking at, sir?
Yeah, there's one. It's like a laser sword with these 3 buttons and this stuff, and it makes noise.
All right. Okay, do you think your dad let you get one of those?
You are my dad, and you said I couldn't get it.
Oh, shh, don't talk about that, okay? Well, Les, I've been interviewing a typical average customer here at Radio Shack. What are you looking at over there?
Well, Gary, you know, I was looking around here and I noticed that although they've got just hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of beautiful, great high-tech and electronic stuff, they've also got extension cords, practical stuff that you need every day. They've got appliance timers. They've got, hey, Mom, listen up, they've got batteries. Batteries to fit all of these great electronic toys that your kids are going to want for Christmas this year. And the best of all, they have the rechargeable Nican-style batteries.
And the rechargers, too.
Absolutely. So you get those batteries, and then when they wear up, you don't have to throw them away. You can recharge them and use them over and over and over again, and end up saving yourself a whole lot of money in the long run.
You know, how many times, Les, have you went around to 3 or 4 or 5 different stores looking for just the right thing? Maybe you need an extension cord with 3 outlets on it. Well, these appliance timers are really handy because when you get up in the morning, that calling will be real
Sure thing. You've got it. That's the whole idea. And for your electronic video game fans, they've got joystick controllers and speed operation buttons and all that kind of stuff. I don't play those games, so I don't know.
Well, let's talk to another typical customer here at Radio Shack. Good morning, ma'am. Are you a typical customer?
You're a typical customer.
Oh, wait, come on, wait. What do you say?
Radar detector there. You need one of those, don't you?
Okay, Pam, let's not talk about that, okay? What are you looking at, ma'am?
I'm looking at the telephone phone headset for hands-free operation.
That means that you could be on the telephone without having to carry around a handset?
That means I could walk around my office and be talking on the phone at the same time.
That's every girl's dream, isn't it?
Well, you know, I am on the telephone an awful lot. You often accuse me of having hands.
Wait, you're a typical customer.
Oh, I'm on the telephone a lot. My husband accuses me of having a phone going out of my ear. So I think a headset would be wonderful, and it's only $49.95. Any phone.
Thank you very much. And here's another typical customer. I noticed you're looking at the Radio Shack computers. Is that right?
Yes, I need a computer for my house.
And do you have something you like right here?
Well, I was talking to Mike about it yesterday.
Okay, and now we found another typical customer. Anything you like here?
Everything.
And another typical customer. Do you see anything you like here at the new Collins Radio Shack? The phones?
There's a couple of them.
Like telephones, like for your own room?
Yeah.
Okay, do you think your parents would let you have one of those?
Probably not.
Okay. But you can dream, right?
Yes.
Well, Les, I've been talking to a few typical customers here.
Hey, and
My niece, my wife, my daughter, my son, and my sister. Typical customers.
Yes, sir.
Everyday, ordinary,
I said my niece.
Well, they have a whole bunch of things that these typical shoppers are enjoying today. Why don't you join them here at the brand new Collins Radio Shack store in 29 Falls as they celebrate their grand opening. They might think, gee, it's a holiday weekend. Why would they open now? Because this is the first official holiday shopping weekend. That's why Mike decided to open up today. We're going to be here until what time is the closing today, Mike?
8 o'clock, I believe.
What time are you closing today? 6:30.
Oh,
Okay,
6:30.
6:30 p.m. We'll be here broadcasting live until about 1 o'clock. Come on down and see us at the new Radio Shack. We're on Adobe Road, right across from Bank of America, downtown 29 Homes, where we'll see you here. So in the meantime, we're going to sit you out.
We'll see you here.
We'll see you here.
That's so hackneyed.
I know. So see you hackneyed.
Okay.
Wait for that guy. Yeah. Anyway, come on down. And in the meantime, keep your radio set to Quality Rock. We're going to go back to Michelle Michaels now with more of that on Z77.
I like it.
Collins Radio Shack.
Closing it up.
Bank of America on Adobe Road in 29 Palms. Collins Radio Shack is absolutely chock full right now with all of the fine Radio Shack consumer electronics that you've known and grown to love over the years. Complete telephone systems, they've got alarm systems, scanners, car radios, all kinds of stuff.
Oh, just incredible stuff. They've got a complete range of calculators, starting at like $9.95 and running on up from there. They've got calculators that talk to you and give you the answer. They've got electronic dictionaries. They've got
Get on the radio?
spelling checkers. They've got electronic translators.
VCRs.
Languages, VCRs.
Television, stereos,
kinds of
CD
stuff.
players, AM, FM, cassette stereos, portable radios, on and on. And if you're looking for something for Christmas, stop by Collins Radio Shack because they have a tremendous stock. I mean, they're just the store is stocked to the gill.
Lots and lots of things too for under $10. If you've got an office party that you go to, you've got the office gift grab bag you've got to buy a gift for. Good choice.
You have to buy a gift for the office grab bag.
That's right.
Oh no. So,
but then you find all kinds of handy, practical things
one
that
thing
will
though,
get used.
one
Yes.
thing, that's this thing in the back of the store.
Yeah.
It's called an electronic stud finder.
Yeah.
Every time I walk by it, it makes a big noise.
Yeah.
It goes beep, 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 beep.
Yeah.
Get it?
Yeah.
Stud finder.
So if you're in the market for a stud finder, come on down and
And it works too, because every time I walk by it, it goes off.
well, they've got all kinds of things here besides that.
And that 100-watt subwoofer over there.
Yeah.
They got her too, so.
Yeah, so come on down. You're going to find some great gift ideas. They'll have a good, nice, friendly staff here that will help you with your selection. And you can come on down until 6:30 this evening. They'll be here.
That's going to do it for our live broadcast. Our thanks to Michelle Michaels for turning the switches and just flipping the buttons and doing all those things to make us sound right. My special thanks to Michael Sharon Collins making us so welcome here for their grand opening. And thanks to you for listening to our live broadcast today from the brand new Collins Radio Shack. I keep wanting to say Collins Computer, right there. Collins Computer is right next door to the brand new Collins Radio Shack, located at, let's tell them where it is.
Well, we're right on Adobe Road, just north of Four Corners, across the street from the Bank of America in downtown 29 Palms. As again, I want to let you know they will be here till 6:30 this evening. Yeah, plenty of time to come on down. Mary and I are out of here for now, but we'll talk to you again Monday morning.
Thanks for listening. Drive carefully And generally what
Bye-bye.
CSP means down here is that it's a sales.
This is KCDC 29.
Sounds good. Closing it up. Now we're up in Joshua Tree or something. There's my baby coming out of the bushes. What you been doing in the bushes?
Guess what I just did?
You know what she just did. All by herself.
I didn't either because I don't have no toilet.
All by herself she did it. I didn't even get a chance to did it with her. Some big old rocks there, aren't they? Big old rocks. There's some mountains and there's some yucca trees. There's some more big old flat rocks. Well, those are flat rocks on top.
These little cactuses.
Yeah, they're...
Zoom up on this cactus.
Yeah, just hang on to your tater rots. Ooh, the sun is bright. Shaboomba. Shaboomba boomba. Make a circle here. Yeah. Oh, come back. Come back, come back. What cactus?
See those cactus?
Oh, that little cactus there?
Well, they're funny looking.
Funny looking cactus. They are funny looking cactus, aren't they?
I see a bird.
Oh wow, a whole bird. A whole birdie bird.
Wow.
Yeah, we'll go on. What was the name of this?
I don't know.
Joshua Tree?
Yeah, this is Joshua Tree something.
Oh, something.
This was some kind of rock place.
Some kind of rock place, okay.
Yeah.
Well, we'll go up around and find some other kind of rock place.
It's a what?
These are all yucca trees.
Oh, let's see.
That's why Yucca Valley is called Yucca Valley, with all these yucca trees around.
Yuck, yuck, yuck. I think it's neato.
We're in the Yucca National Park.
Yeah, we're looking at trees. We're going for the rock. We're going
Queen
to...
Valley, elevation 4460.
We're trying to find that point where George went to pray. We gotta find it. We need to pray. Don't we, Cecil?
Don't get carried away, girl.
Hey, I can pray. You can just sit and watch me. Look over there at the trees.
Well, that's something, isn't it? All them yucca trees.
Yeah, it's different. It's really different looking.
It is.
Go this
That's
way.
the desert for you. Look at this big yucca tree right here by the road.
Right there?
Yeah, that big one there.
Big one. A big, big tree.
Big old yucca tree.
Right there's another big one.
Yeah.
There's a big one. Look at the traffic.
A lot of traffic.
Where's all the people
This is a
coming from?
national park here. Everybody comes up here and just looks around. That's all there is to do.
And we're going up. We're on the road to the Keys View. We're going to see the view. Drive carefully, it says.
You mean I gotta?
If you wanna.
Look at all these rocks here.
Bunches of them.
Did you get these rocks right
Yes,
here?
I did.
Yeah. Okay.
That's all I've been getting is rocks.
That's all you got up in this Joshua trees and rocks.
There was some lovers,
They're not Joshua, these are yucca trees and rocks.
but I didn't show them on here. Because this is a clean movie.
Ho, ho, ho.
It is. Now, isn't this a pleasant little drive?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's so pleasant.
Isn't it so gorgeous?
Yes, yes, yes.
up earlier when the sun wasn't in our face.
Well, then you wouldn't have anything to holler about.
Oh, well, there ain't no sense in living if you can't yell and scream and holler.
Well, that's you do a lot of it.
Well, I'm gonna live a long time, I guess.
I hope so. You might outlive 3 or 4 women.
I don't really think I really care about that. Lost Horse Valley.
Horse. Somebody lost their horse.
Son of a gun. Now, we're at Keys View. This is Keys View. It's the farthest point. It's a big valley there. Big valley. The sun's setting, so I don't know if it's going to ruin the view on the... Yeah, it's going to ruin the view, I'm afraid. Okay, now we're just going to go up this hill. And there she is, my baby. Standing there waving, and then she turned around when I zoomed in on her. We'll go up there and see her. I want to take a look at the parking lot here. Up and you make this swoop and you come right on around, and then it drops right down over into the canyon there. That sun is bright. Okay, we're going up to the top of the hill here and see what we got. I'll get to the top here and take a look. Now we're closer to the top. That valley is still... Can't really see much. The sun really, it's a hazy view down through there. There's people standing on top of the hill looking there. There she is right there at the top. Right on top of the tower. Let's go up there and see what it looks like. Okay, now we're at the top. That's that valley. The sun's still over there. Now let's take a pan on around this way. I don't know what this is down here, but I'm going to zoom down here and see if we can... You can't see much. And on out there's a lake. I don't know what lake that is. I wonder what lake that is.
I don't know, but I'm going to the car.
Yeah, it's a little chilly. Sun's shining on the mountain here. Let me go around here.
Okay, give me the keys.
I'll be coming down. Come around. Going around. People can walk all the way around and back down. Parking lot. So this is... This is the place.
Oh, there's a sticker in me.
Joshua View.